I hope everyone is doing great. In this video tutorial we are going to see how to rectify the digitizing error in ArcGIS Pro. A polygon as an example. So let's get started. First we are going to digitize the features to understand the error. So I'm using a polygon shapefile. Now go to the option edit, and here you can see the option snapping. So we need to turn on the snapping tool. So I have turned on the snapping tool, and now navigate to create features. You can find it over here, create features. After clicking, so I'm going to create a polygon features. Now I'm going to digitize it. As you can see, I'm using the mouse, left click for digitizing. So while digitizing, you can see here that I have made a mistake over here. You can see such mistakes are there. So how to undo it? You can use Ctrl+Z to undo it. So this kind of error can happen if you doesn't zoom in properly to the features. So you will be getting error like this. So for removing it, you can use Ctrl+Z like this. You can remove it. Ctrl+Z button. Please use that. Now we'll just continue with our digitizing. Let me make it fast. So let me fast forward the digitizing so that it won't be taking much time. So like this you can digitize, but try to zoom in as much as possible and digitize, otherwise the borders won't be fitting properly. Fast forwarding it. So I'm going to finish the digitizing. Double click and finish. So now you can see we have digitized the polygon, and you can find the errors over here. As you can see here, the digitizing is not being properly done, so you can see an error over here. It is not aligning in this polygon, the base layer. So in order to correct such mistakes, you can use for example, you can see the option modify. You can click over modify and you can reshape it. So let me show you. Edit vertex, and now you can pull this vertex down. You can place it properly. So now we need to turn off the snapping tool, so it is disturbing us. Now you can see here I have moved this. You can click on this vertex like this, and you can right click on this line, and you can add more vertex. Add vertex, drag it, and you can neatly place it like this. Let me add one more vertex, place it like this. So like this you can edit. Once, now and then you can save your edits. Like this you can edit your vertexes. So let me show you another example. You can see over here how this digitizing is being done. You can add some vertex, add a vertex. You can pull it over here like this. If you want some more vertex, you can right click over the line, add vertex, and place it properly. Like this you can edit your digitizing errors, rectify it, and make it a perfect. So once you are adjusting any vertexes, you can see a small shift is there. You need to correctly place it, the other vertex also. So like this you can edit your digitizing errors. The next is we are going to see so the next is we are going to focus on reshape. So let us click on reshape and let us zoom in. These features we have to select. It has been selected right now. Okay, so now for example you can see that this is the river, Penna river. So I am going to reshape it because this is the reservoir, this is the river, so I need to cut this part. So how to do that? So first we need to click on the reshape option, and then here we are going to use the snapping. We need to turn it on. Okay, now you have to zoom in to a good extent. Now you just need to remove this part, no? So start from here, digitize on top of it. So the snapping tool help us to track this feature. So now you can see when you are double clicking it, this part is gone. So like this you can edit. This is the method. So like this you can do. Now I'm going to use Ctrl+Z to bring it back. Now there is another option called a split. You can click on split. For example, you want this river has to be separate and this reservoir has to be separate. You can split it into two halves. So you can do it. Click on the split tool. Now we need to draw a line like this. Double click to split it. So now you can see here this both has been splitted separately. You can select it. This will be selected separately. This will be selected separately. These two has been splitted. So like this you can edit. So if you have any other doubts, please to ask in the comment section. I will be answering to your questions. Thanks for watching.